Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 19th of January. First of all, national news. India and Maldives together have responsibility for regional peace and security. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Assembly elections 2023 polling in Meghalaya, Nagaland on February 27, Tripura to vote on February 16, results on March 2. Supreme Court reserved order on interim play on purse seine fishing. Samd Shikhar will remain only a religious place, not a tourist place. Union Jharkhand governments. PM Modi asked BJP leaders to not make unnecessary remarks on fields. Punjab Congress leader Manpreet Singh Badal quit Congress, joined BJP. Rahul Gandhi led Bharat Jodo Yatra entered Himachal. 70% people living normal life. Uttarakhand Chief Minister on sinking town. President Murmu delegated powers to Delhi Lieutenant Governor amid services row. Plane door opened by mistake. He said sorry. Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia on raw over Tejasvi Surya. Such talent resides in every corner of India. PM Modi praised India under 19 captain Shefali Verma. International news. Vladimir Putin said Russian victory in Ukraine is guaranteed. S. Jaishankar reaffirmed India-Maldives development ties are strong. UN chief slammed oil firms for a big lie on global warming. Ukraine's peace plan absurd, no serious proposal to consider Russia. Climate protection not a crime, Greta Thunberg after detention in Germany. Philippine Nobel winner Maria Ressa acquitted of tax evasion. And a US lawmaker moved bill to remove Pakistan as major non-NATO ally. Microsoft to cut 10,000 jobs as tech layoffs intensify. Faking outrage. White House slammed Republicans over Biden's classified documents. Russian commissioner denied talks on large prisoner swap with Ukraine. Sri Lankan president said debt restructuring talks with India, China successful. Antony Blinken to visit Beijing on February 5 to 6. Now sports news. India women's hockey team crushed South Africa 7-0 in second test. India seek big win against Wales to qualify directly for World Cup quarter-finals. India Open, Kidambi Shrikant both out after losing to Victor Axelsen. Duty Chand test positive for prohibitive substance, handed provisional suspension. Wrestlers stage protest against WFI president's dictatorship, vote to fight till end. Destroyed mentally, Rafael Nadal reacted to early Australian Open exit. Defending champion Rafael Nadal out of Australian Open loses in straight sets in second round. Hashim Amla announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. Shubman Gill hit double century with 3 back-to-back sixes, created record. Now business related news. Sensex Nifty rose higher for second consecutive session amid foreign funds inflows. Rupee gained 45 paise to close at 81.24 against US dollar. S. Jaishankar arrived in Maldives to witness impact of developmental assistance. Airtel launched 5G services in Noida, Ghaziabad, Faridabad. Adani Green Energy firm to acquire stake in SL Saurya for Rs 15 crore. Auto industry may grow at high single-digit rates in fiscal 2024, a report said. Adani to use Rs 20,000 crore share sale proceeds for capital expenditure. News from Science and Technology. Webb Space Telescope revealed dusty leftovers of planet formation like never seen before. Scientists unlocked nature's secret to super selective binding. Unearthing prehistoric predators, giant megaraptors among diverse dinosaurs in Patagonia. And that's all in news. Thank you.